Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another little adventure. We have Robbie, we have some rope, and we have some height, combined with some cool views. And we're gonna go up there. So, just a nice little day, and we have Robbie on the GoPro today, so we'll get to hear all of his... Is that still going?
No, I turned it off.
So we'll get to hear all of his shenanigans as he climbs.
I didn't say a single word.
What the heck? You're supposed to do some commentary on it.
I don't talk when I climb really. I just enjoy it.
Okay, well...
I thought about saying something. I'm like, nah.
Well, you just get to see Robbie climbing then, so...
Make it look like you let it.
Yeah, but we both know who let it. Whee! Top of the world. Oh, focus. Woohoo! Climbed it, came from down there, and now we're up here. Wow.
Picture.
Yeah, I'm good. I got some pictures of you. Cause, oh man, awesome view, awesome day. Just a great fall weather day to have, and well, I guess we're gonna walk off up there and go down. So again.
Ooh.
Whoa. What?
Should have gone on that side.
Well, oh.
Oh, it's...
Yeah, let's go. But it appears again like we are at the end of this little adventure. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash that like button. Smash! Woo! And if you're not subscribed yet, go do a little subscribe button. But until next time, guys, we shall see ya.